Hello my subscribers, so how are you all, and I hope that you are fine with good health and good spirit. And today I have come here with the most important and the most asked topic in my comment section. So here I will tell you all the important diagrams that you need to practice for your bio test. Okay, so your first chapter is cell cycle, cell division and structure of chromosomes. So in that, the stages of mitosis in both plants and animals and the stages of meiosis in both plants and animals is very important. Like this question is going to be there. It can either come for your drawing part or for your labeling part. It is very important. So you need to practice this, very important. Okay. Then your chromatids exchanging part. This is important. This you need to just see it. Okay. The types of chromosomes is very important. Okay. Then in your chapter absorption by roots, this chapter basically consists of your experiments. Like it does not have that much of drawing part. Your experiments are very important, and I want to suggest you that please learn the aim of the experiment. The aim of the experiment is very important. Then comes your transpiration. Transpiration is also basically for your experiment part. Okay, and yes, it's basically for experiment part. I could not say in diagram, which is very important, but yes, for experiments it is very important. Okay. Then photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, this chloroplast diagram, it is very important. It is going to come. Be aware of it. It is going to come. It is very important. Okay. Then your mechanism of opening and closing of stomata is very important. Okay. In chemical coordination in plants, no, there's no diagram except of experiments. Experiments are there and that will come in your test. Okay, means for diagram it is not there anything. Okay. Then circulatory system. In circulatory system, all the three type of blood cells, WBCs, RBCs, or platelets. These three diagrams are important. Okay, it means it can be asked. Okay. There are types of WBCs. These monocyte, lymphocyte is important. Then your arteries, veins, this is important. This can come. Okay, for your structural difference it can come. Then comes your chapter nervous system. Okay, so in nervous system, this generalized structure of nerve cell, this is very important. Like it is going to come. It's very important. Okay. Then your brain and its location, it always come for your labeling part. It hasn't come for your drawing except आपके pre boards में आ सकता है. Then yes, this spinal cord for drawing is important. Sorry, for labeling it's important. Okay. Then comes your sense organs chapter. Okay. In sense organ, the human eye, this is very important. Okay, human eye, it's very important. You need to know this. Human eyes and the myopia and the hypermetropia, this is very important. Like this is going to come. It can come for your मतलब कि आप दिखाएं कि कैसा होता है ये, and also कि इसको correct कैसे करें. तो correct करने के बाद जो दिखता है वैसा भी it's very important. Okay. फिर inner ear में पूरा ear नहीं, inner ear is very important. Inner ear का diagram it's must. Okay, मतलब वो difficult है थोड़ा, लेकिन हाँ वो मतलब आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. I also want to give you a tip for your bio. In this chapter, human evolution में जो ये brain sizes दिखाए गए ना, ये brain sizes और इनका जो नाम दिखाए गए, Dryopithecus, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, ये बहुत important है. ये आता है आपके में, ठीक है. आप difference. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and it was very helpful to you. In case of any doubt or further questions, you can please comment me in the comment box and I will reply you. मैं ज़्यादा कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं सबके comments को reply करूँ, and I think that I do that. Okay. So thank you. Bye.